Joining us now is our very own reporter, Jamie Boyum. He's in Marion
There I
County
am.
for a big announcement. Hey, how are you doing? I know you got lots to talk about it, so let's get right to it. What's going on there in Marion County?
Yeah, well, Marion County hasn't had a hospital facility for 30, 40 years, something like that. I'm here with State Rep District 7, Jay Dean, and it surprised me that you were here. But you're going to find time for something like this, I guess.
Well, it just like you said, they haven't had medical services here locally for 30, 40 years, and this is a big deal.
Yeah, it is. And
Really big deal.
I guess the facility, they're talking about like 10 beds, a representative with the companies out here. And then they're also talking about mental health facilities.
Yeah, I mean, the state's got we have to do a better job with mental health and making facilities available for our counties, to be able to work with because we're not anywhere close there. But you think about rural Texas and the amount of work that's going on with the federal government with the big beautiful bill regarding addressing rural public health. We're doing the same thing at the state, and being involved with insurance as the chairman of the insurance committee in the House. It's a big issue for us, so that's why I have a keen interest, not only because I represent Marion County, but because of the overall situation we have with rural public health. Think about this: if someone has a stroke, they have 4 minutes to get somewhere, or the damage that they suffer the longer that they get outside that 4 minute window is catastrophic. So like one person told me earlier, when you don't have the ability to get somewhere in 4 minutes is between you and the good Lord Jesus, whether you can make it or not. So I think it's great. Marion County, Jefferson is a great place. They've got a lot of great things going on, but they need medical services, and hopefully this new hospital will help springboard. And we saw it happen in Longview when we really started focusing on health services. It continues to grow. Now we're a hub, and this can be a hub for this area of rural Texas.
Yeah, yeah. And yeah, they're talking about not just medical care, but also mental care. They were bringing out in the meeting, which may have gone back. It got real quiet in the hall here. Might have to cut this short. But they were saying that sometimes mental health patients have to be driven to Lubbock,
Yeah.
Longview, Marshall, for healthcare.
Well, they're just so in the state of Texas with 31 to 33 million people, we have 2,850 beds for mental health, and that's people that have gone to the emergency room, then was sent to the county jail. The county jail keeps them on meds for a little while, but they need to be somewhere for long-term care, and 2,850 beds. So you heard there why Marion County has to end up sending someone to Lubbock, Texas for one bed. And that's not just the driving, bringing that person there, but it also is the fact that the officer has to stay there with that patient until they're stabilized and get to a better place.
Right, right. So, yeah, we do have to cut this short because I do believe they've gone back in. So, right now, they've made a proposal to sell some property, for $100 for a lot. And I guess there's a building on it, existing building on it. And, I don't know, they're talking about
Let's go find out.
$7 million on equipment that's going to go in there. But yeah, we do have to cut it short.
From what I'm
So
understanding, the overall project is probably in the neighborhood of about $25 million.
$25 million together.
Great investment.
Yeah.